It's the perfect place for creating and connecting to the natural world.
My family used to live at Rare Bird Farm. It's really a step back into time, a simpler life, and it's just so wonderful to see that it's still that way.
It's a very peaceful place to be, very calming, always welcoming and warm.
There's room for everyone, every skill, every talent, every flavor.
It's changed all of our lives. This is what everyone needs.
We want this place to be a respite for artists.
The vision is really to turn this into a permaculture, sustainable working farm that people can stay at and have any number of experiences.
Hosting workshops and retreats. And
this is such a fantastic place for a workshop in eco-printing and natural dyeing because of all the tannin-rich trees and plants and flowers in the area. I think it's the perfect place to experience nature.
We'll have shows for our friends and neighbors.
I booked this gig, and it's been the one I've been looking forward to in my calendar the most.
It's really a cozy environment. Everyone's really super friendly, and the goats are awesome. They're badass.
Where the farm is located is a really, really unique and interesting place.
This region is the Southern Appalachians. It is the most biodiverse place in North America.
We're about 25 minutes from Max Patch, which is one of the most beautiful spots on the Appalachian Trail. Hot Springs is about 20-25 minutes away.
We have a lot of friends come who aren't used to setting up their own tent and are nervous about coming, but
We've got internet, we've got a really good restaurant right up the street, and I think it's a nice balance of like a rural life with access to just getting out into the woods and getting lost.
Everybody is working together, bringing together everything that they do to make each other happy.
we've spent most of our lives mostly behind a computer, and as we continue to build this lifelong dream, it's a privilege to spend the next half of our lives working in the dirt.
It's going to be a fun thing to watch grow.